Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. First, let's quickly start the workout. So I'm gonna wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the workout menu, then select the workout and tap on it to start it. Okay, so let's say you have your workout going and you want to stop it. You can stop it by swiping right on the screen to open the pause menu, and here we have this button, hold to end. And basically to stop the workout you need to press and hold on it, and then you can tap on end workout to stop it. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.